For crypto, I don't have anything. Again, there isn't any context to trade it right now. It's choppy. If you go to validation, it's more bearish than bullish. Hello traders. So today let's talk about Trump's tariffs that basically President Trump announced tariffs on Canada, China, and Mexico. And yeah, what could we expect from the market in a long-term perspective and short-term? As we saw yesterday, market pulled back significantly. It had massive volume. We can just take a look at like a Nasdaq or something like that, or let's say QQQ. It's the same Nasdaq, and as you can see, it dropped a lot from the highs to the lows, basically 3% approximately, and everything followed it. US 500, US 30, of course, DAX index or Bitcoin, etc. So what can we expect, and what are these tariffs, and why do they really matter? I would say, first of all, after those tariff hikes on imports from Canada, China, and Mexico, targeting let's say key industries like manufacturing, technology, in a short-term perspective, it's not good for the economy. But the main point that Trump is making is the long-term perspective, because if you start to, let's say, in short-term perspective, you once someone imports goods from the China, like for example, you try to sell merch, you import the t-shirts from China to USA, you pay tariffs, and you basically just sell the t-shirts for more. For example, t-shirts cost you $10, and now there is tariffs, so t-shirts cost you $15. So that means you will sell the t-shirts not for $20, but you will sell them now for $25. So basically, American people is paying more at the moment. But again, it's short-term perspective, and Trump's idea is that basically in a long-term perspective, 2, 3, 4 years, people will start making and manufacturing everything inside USA and export out. So that's the main point of all this. So yeah, and more about stock market. Like I said, we saw an immediate pullback actually after this was the gap, overnight gap, and basically we dropped for Nasdaq 4%, and the whole New York session yesterday we pulled back 2%. So yeah, and at this point of at this moment, the best asset is gold to trade. Because why gold? Because gold always when there is tensions, when there is war, when there is anything that's not good for the economy, basically when there is some kind of tensions between America, Canada, or America, Europe, or America, Russia, or Russia, Ukraine, etc., then gold rallies, as we can see for the last 4 years, or yeah, basically 4 years. Look at the gold price. This is 2022 when approximately when started Russian-Ukrainian war started. So look at the gold right now. So yeah, that's why gold is safe haven as asset. Basically, in big investors, it doesn't matter who they are, funds, some governments or whatever, take their money out of Nasdaq or maybe cryptos or any other assets that they are invested in, and put their money in gold, because gold always is a safe haven asset. That's why. And of course, for us, like day traders, we don't really care about all of that, especially how we trade here at Trade Night, we don't fucking care about any of that, because if there will not be context in the market, we will not trade it. Like right now, this week, the only asset that is tradable for us is gold, because every fucking asset is pulled back and we don't have context. We are right now in a chop. This isn't tradable at the moment. US 100 isn't tradable at the moment. For technical side, I really need basically first MB, second MB, and inside there, once we start making fractal on the second validation MB, I'm starting to look inside my entry time frame and look for the same thing. But right now there isn't nothing to look for. Market can easily do just something like this, and market could do something like this, and I will not be involved in this because I'm not interested in taking trades every single day on some kind of asset. I'm interested in taking trades when there is context in the market. When market is making those highs, that's when I'm interested in taking any fucking trades, you know? I don't need to every day to scalp Nasdaq and try to predict every low, high, etc. That's not what I'm doing here. That's not why I trade. I trade when there is a context. And if you look at gold, completely different picture, as you can see. And I am, as right now, I will add to my position if I already have placed my order, but if market hits this high, then I will add to my position and take another entry. This one is still running. So yeah, and more about cryptos. Cryptos tends to also rally when there is tensions, because again, cryptos is semi-safe haven asset as well, but not exactly like gold. Cryptos are more fluctuating up and down and etc. But at the moment for crypto, I don't have anything. Again, there isn't any context to trade it right now. It's choppy. If you go to validation, it's more bearish than bullish. Or if you go to the daily, of course, we are bullish, but we are below averages. We are stuck in this range for the last month, even more, even 1.5 more month. So yeah, the same thing of course for Ethereum or Solana. Ethereum actually looks even worse. Yeah, we didn't even make the all-time highs as well in the last bull run. So yeah, but it doesn't mean that you need, in my honest opinion, it doesn't mean you need to sell if you have, let's say, positions somewhere here or here or here on Bitcoin, like long-term positions. I have also I have invested in cryptos and still they're running, but I'm not considering selling. Cryptos will go even higher and higher. It's not the end. It's not the end of the world. It's normal that markets pull back because we are looking at multiple time frames, multiple structures. Again, if you go to monthly chart, look where is Bitcoin. Of course, it needs to pause. It needs to start building something on monthly or weekly. It can't just go up and up and up, you know. So with that being said, it's okay that market pulls back. It's nothing new. It will happen time and time again. Where is the low? Where is the bottom? Who the fuck knows? Maybe here, maybe here, maybe here. Who the fuck knows? We don't care about that. We here in Trade Night, we follow market, we follow trends. Right now, there isn't any entry to take. On long-term perspective, we are in a bullish trend. That's the only thing that we are interested in. On day trading perspective, there's nothing to do right now. We need, like I said before, let's say we start to make some kind of MBs on validation, but we don't have the second one. I want to see the second one and EMAs to start cross upwards and rise. And right now it's more bearish than bullish. So with that being said, basically the tariffs, it's a good thing for uh, long-term USA economy, but at the same time, there is a question: what will Canada, what will China do to counter those tariffs? That we just don't know what they will do. So we'll see. And yeah, so thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.